67 species in genus Cistus. June 23rd, Cistus, the rock rose, defines June 23rd. Cistus represents passion and persistence. You are fiery and determined, never giving up on your dreams. Like its resilient flowers, you thrive in challenging conditions. The enchanting world of Cistus, a personal journey. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the resilience and beauty of Mediterranean flora. Among my favorites is the Cistus genus from the Cistaceae family, a group of evergreen shrubs commonly known as rock roses. These hardy plants thrive in the sun-drenched landscapes of southern Europe and North Africa, their delicate, papery blossoms bringing a touch of magic to the rugged terrain. A tapestry of textures and scents. What captivates me most about Cistus is the sheer diversity within the genus. Each species boasts unique characteristics, from the silvery foliage of Cistus albatus to the sticky, resinous leaves of Cistus ladanifer. This variety allows for endless possibilities in garden design, creating a tapestry of textures and scents that evolves with the seasons. One of my earliest encounters with Cistus was in the hills of Andalusia, Spain. The air was thick with the aroma of labdanum, a fragrant resin produced by Cistus ladanifer. This species, also known as gum rock rose, has been prized for its aromatic properties since antiquity, used in perfumes, incense, and even traditional medicine. A symphony of colors. The flowers of Cistus are equally captivating. Their delicate petals, often crumpled like tissue paper, come in a spectrum of colors, from the purest white to vibrant shades of pink, purple, and yellow. Some species, like Cistus ladanifer, even feature contrasting dark blotches at the base of their petals, adding a touch of drama to their appearance. I recall a particular morning spent wandering through a Cistus grove in Crete. The rising sun illuminated the blossoms, their delicate petals seeming to glow from within. The air was alive with the buzzing of bees, drawn to the flower's abundance of pollen and nectar. It was a moment of pure magic, a testament to the captivating beauty of the natural world. A haven for biodiversity. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, Cistus plants play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their dense foliage provides shelter for a variety of wildlife, from small mammals and birds to insects and reptiles. Their flowers, rich in pollen and nectar, attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to the health and diversity of the local ecosystem. In my own garden, I've observed how Cistus attracts a variety of beneficial insects, including ladybugs and lacewings, which help control pests naturally. This natural pest control reduces the need for harmful chemicals, promoting a healthier and more sustainable garden. A resilient spirit. Cistus plants are remarkably resilient, able to withstand drought, poor soil, and even wildfires. In fact, some species, like Cistus salviifolius, rely on fire to regenerate, their seeds germinating more readily in the ashen-rich soil after a blaze. This adaptability makes them ideal for challenging environments, where other plants might struggle to survive. I admire the tenacity of Cistus, their ability to thrive in adversity. They remind me that even in the face of challenges, life finds a way to persist and even flourish. A diverse family. The Cistus genus encompasses a wide range of species, each with its own unique characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A source of inspiration. My fascination with Cistus extends beyond their botanical beauty. These plants symbolize resilience, adaptability, and the enduring power of nature. They remind me that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way to thrive. As I continue to explore the world of Cistus, I'm constantly amazed by their diversity, beauty, and ecological importance. These plants are a true gift of nature, a source of inspiration and wonder for all who encounter them.